Hello friends and followers. So after replacing about 9 capacitors in this Crosley BC-654 receiver, I do get more volume now. So I have an antenna clipped on to the back of the receiver here, just a wire here that goes in the room. And first of all, I found an interesting problem in that I don't think this IF can is working correctly. In that, just by accident, I was playing around here, and I'll play the headphones into the microphone of the phone here, and I'll show you that when I touch this can here, this grid, I get a lot more volume. So, gotta look into that. But I tried to peak the bottom of that can, and I got no resonance. So I think that there's a mica capacitor in that can. It's bad. So if I hold the headphone on here to the phone microphone, and here's what I'm dealing with. So if I try to peak this can on the bottom, I get no peaking. So I think there's a bad mica capacitor in there. The rest of these will decrease like they should because the circuit is detuned. So this one increasing means the circuit is not tuned, so I gotta look into that. What else? Well, it works rather well now. If I go from voice to CW, it's working quite well now. There's CW, there's voice, there's off. Of course, there's not much to hear on here. Daytime, this is not very active. Anyway, that's about it. I've been picking away at this thing as time permits, trying to get it to receive very well. And then on to the transmitter. Okay, thanks for watching. Yeah, I did order a power supply for this thing. That's a Heathkit power supply that I'll most likely adapt for 500 volts and get 6 volts DC into it. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.